Surprise, teachers!
So Monday was International Teachers' Day.
So us and the students wanted to get together a special video to celebrate all of you.
We appreciate everything you do for our students, and without you, our students couldn't go on to achieve their goals.
And that would mean that we would have to be teachers, and that would make our current job as admin pretty difficult. Thank you!
I like my teacher, Michelle. She's very caring.
I like my teacher, Michelle. Is very perfect and helpful.
I like teacher Pratisha because she's exercise and she's kind to the student.
Hello, my name is Eric. I like teacher Patricia because is very nice and very good teacher.
Hi, I'm very enjoying Krista class because Krista is very passionate and the pronunciation is very clear. That's easy to help us to improve our English language.
I like Krista because she's very friendly, kind. She's very patient.
I like my teacher Nigel because his fashion is awesome.
I like my teacher Nigel because he is very professional and he always teach us grammar, listening, language, speaking, and writing.
My teacher, his name is JP. The most thing I like is he's very explanation very clearly for us, and he is very kind teacher, and everybody love him so much.
Hi, I like teacher JP because he's kind and he's friendly. Especially he try his best to make students understand what he teach. I love him so much.
I need teacher Mary Rose because she is a nicely, kind and elegant lady.
Hi, I like Mary Rose teacher because she's very kind and very caring.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.